The U.S. moved a step closer to expanding COVID-19 vaccinations for millions more children as a panel of government health advisors on Tuesday endorsed kid-sized doses of the shots made by Pfizer and BioNTech for children ages 5 to 11. A Food and Drug Administration advisory panel voted unanimously with one abstention that the vaccine's benefits in preventing COVID-19 in that age group outweigh any potential risks, including a heart-related side effect that's been very rare in teens and young adults who get a much higher dose. While children are at lower risk of severe COVID-19 than older people, many panelists ultimately decided it's important to give parents the choice to protect their youngsters, especially those at higher risk of illness or who live in places where other precautions, like masks in schools, aren't being. The virus is not going away. We have to find a way to live with it, and I think the vaccines give us a way to do that, said FDA advisor Jeannette Lee of the University of Arkansas. I do think it's a relatively close call, said advisor Dr. Rubin of Harvard University. It's really going to be a question of what the prevailing conditions are, but we're never going to learn about how safe this vaccine is unless we start giving it. The FDA isn't bound by the panel's recommendation and is expected to make its own decision within days. Full-strength shots made by Pfizer and BioNTech already are recommended for everyone 12 and older, but pediatricians and many parents are clamoring for protection for younger children. The extra-contagious Delta variant has caused an alarming rise in pediatric infections, and families are frustrated with school quarantines and having to say no to sleepovers and other rites of childhood to keep the virus at bay. States are getting ready to roll out shots for little arms, and special orange-capped vials to distinguish them from the adult version of vaccine, as soon as the government gives the okay. More than 25,000 pediatricians and other primary care providers have signed up so far to offer vaccination.